Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to remove and install your rear tailgate grab strap. Sometimes they go bad, tear, get chewed up by a dog, anything's possible. You might have to replace it. If you need any parts, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so we're inside the trunk area. You notice you get this hanging down. Right here's a little plastic cover. Just gonna give that a little pop. Comes right off. Right under there, there's either a 10mm headed bolt or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to use 10mm. Remove that. We'll leave the bolt right with it, set it aside. So we have our bolt. You can either use your 10 or your Phillips head, right? I'm going to use my 10, sorry. Put it right up into the hole here. Should want to tighten right up. That feels awesome. We'll take this. You've got your little tab right here. That's going to slide right in, and then you're just going to push this up just like that. We'll grab our gear out of the back here, anything that you don't want in there. Grab this, pull it down, close the trunk.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.